If you are one of those not living your dream life, where are you going to take action to change that? When will the pain, frustration, stress, and hardship of battle shift you from complacency to a position where you need to take action? When will the excuses you make become tiresome and no longer serve you? Am I getting under your skin? I hope so, because it's hard to understand how many people complain about their living conditions and yet take so little action to do something about it. I'm not going to exaggerate things. I'm not here to tell you what you'd like to hear. Maybe I'm one of the few people in your life you call on the BS. You tell people around you why life doesn't work. I can say this because I surround myself with people who berate me for my bullshit and make me responsible for my choices. It's hard to hear, but I'm glad they care enough to give me the hard love I need. That makes life so much better. Are you ready to change things for the better? If so, make this weekend the time to start taking decisive action and end the excuses. See you inside. Click link and discover.